Here is a Pioneer 4K Smart Xumo TV. I'm going to show you how to reset the sound or audio. Resetting the sound and audio can help issues. Maybe if you have the sounds like echoing or like muffled sound, or maybe the volume won't get too high, it's very low, or there's delayed speech with the lips speaking on the TV and so on. Anyway, it's really simple to do a reset here. So first thing is just go ahead and grab your remote and go to the settings. If your remote is like this, you have a settings gear icon right there. If not, just go to your home page, click on the home button on the remote and go to that settings tab on the top left hand side. So I'm just going to move up. I'll just go right there and I'll click on OK. Now from here we're going to go down to picture and sound right there. Click on OK on the remote. And then we're going to go down to reset picture and sound settings. Now the thing is, when you do this, it's also going to reset your picture settings back to factory default as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and reset picture and sound right now. Click on OK. Are you sure you want to reset picture and sound settings? This will clear your current picture and sound preferences and reset them back to your device's default settings. Okay, so no or yes? Let's do it. Yes, reset settings. Go ahead and click on OK on the remote. And that should take a few seconds, and there you go. Now try your sound now and see if it works.